Why you can't turn off the reading mode on Character.AI and how to fix it. Are you stuck in the reading mode on Character.AI? You are trying to chat with your favorite bot, but suddenly you can only read, or you are forced into this structure book or story modes. You go to your settings looking for that simple on and off switch and isn't there. It is incredibly frustrating, and you are not alone. Thousands of users have been hit with this restriction recently. Today I'm going to give you the perfect step-by-step explanation why you can't turn off the reading mode, what actually is, and the exact step-by-step you need to fix it and get your full chat access back. Let's dive right in. First, we need to understand what reading mode actually is. Late last year, Character.AI rolled out a massive safety update. This is why they faced a lot of pressure regarding how young users interact with the AI. If the system believes you are under 18 years old, your account is automatically placed in the reading mode. In this mode, open-ended, free from chatting is completely disabled. Instead, you are getting high-filtered, reading-only experience, or you are pushed towards their new book features, which is more like a frustrating interactive novel. So why isn't there a toggle switch? Because this isn't a user preference like a dark mode or notification sound. It is a mandatory save restriction. If they give you a button to turn it off, anyone could bypass the safety filter. This restriction is a hardcore to age associated with your account. So if you are 18 years, you are under save restriction. Now I have to address the elephant in the room. What if you are under 18 years? I'm going to be completely honest with you. There is no legitimate way to turn off the reading mode right now. Character.AI have made the pivot to a safe-first restriction. Safe-first model for minors. If you are under 18, you are stuck with the structured stories, the read-only features. Trying to create a new account with a fake birthday usually doesn't work anymore because they are actually rolling out the ID verification requirement to everyone. Now, how to fix it? First, go through the age verification process by taking a picture and then submitting your ID. If you are still stuck in the loop, what you do is to make sure you update the Character.AI app or use the Chrome browser in order to verify your age again. And if it doesn't work out, meet the Character.AI Help Center and resubmit your age verification. This works if your information is over 18 years, so in order to avoid the verification error. Before trying this process, make sure you clear the app cache if you are using the app, and then retry the verification, or use your browser to try the process. I suggest you use Chrome. I hope this clears up the confusion. It is annoying that there isn't just a switch, but why is it happening in the first place to fix it? If this will help you to understand why you can't turn off the reading mode, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorials and also for Character.AI tutorials. See you on the next one. Please check the next video to know the process to fix it step by step.